Hi everyone, in this video I will show you how to load paper to HPNY 6120E. So grab the paper tray from the both sides and gently pull it out. And the first thing you can see here is paper guides. When you move one of them, the second moves simultaneously because paper guides center the paper in the paper tray. And the widest paper you can put here is 8.5 by 11 inches, and A4 is a little bit narrower. Also they have a couple of more paper size markers, but they are not the final word. You can also put A5 paper here and so on. All you need is just put your paper in the paper tray and push it to the end until it meets an obstacle, a stopper, and align the paper stack with the paper guides. Don't press too much on the paper stack, leave at least 1 millimeter of space here, and also your paper stack thickness should not exceed the paper guides height. And then just push the paper tray into the printer, and that's pretty it. Once you inserted the paper into the printer, you see this window. If you change the paper type and size, tap on Modify and specify paper type. In my case, this is plain paper, but you can also switch to photo paper and so on, and set the paper size. In my case, it's A4, so I don't have to change anything here. Tap on Done, and the paper will automatically be detected in the printing application on smartphones and computers. And now just expand the output tray and unfold it completely, and your printer is ready to print. And that's it. I hope this was helpful. If yes, subscribe to our channel, hit the like button, and be awesome. Bye guys.